Here is a close look at the Lasko box fan, and as you can see, I just had it running, so it's slowing to a stop now, and there it goes. So yeah, this is Lasko, and to use it, very easy. Just make sure it's plugged in, and then we've got this dial at the top, so it's currently off, but we've got the settings 3, 2, and 1. Here's a look at the back as well, if you're curious. So now I'll go ahead and demonstrate it for you. I'm gonna start right at the highest setting so you can see how it works and also hear how loud it is. Now let me go to the other settings. So there's one. One is definitely the quietest, but they're all a little bit loud. That's honestly my only complaint, is it's kind of a loud fan. But overall, it's very effective and it does a great job at circulating the air. Hopefully you can hear me, so let me go ahead and turn it off. Alright, so overall, I would definitely recommend this fan. Just keep in mind that it is a little bit loud, but other than that, it circulates the air beautifully and will definitely keep you cool when it's hot out.